Spellbound Heart's Desire, the Shard of the Seventh Star. We start our tale with our family walking out of a snow blizzard and walking into the ever unrevealing Tinsel Peak town. Christmas has certainly arrived at Tinsel Peak. As our family walk further into Tinsel Peak town, a star pathway lights up at their feet. Not knowing what direction to follow, Illyrian pulls Nerissa to one side. What do we do now? Illyrian asks. Echo Bark will freeze. As the couple sit and talk about what they should do next and how to choose the right path, Soraya and Nyx decide to go play in the snow. Soira asks Nyx to build a snow rabbit with her. Nyx says we should add a little magic. Adding the magic, the bunny comes to life. Frost Pipkin yells, Nyx,